Hi guys, Sarah here. You're at a different angle. I got this new contraption called the Overhead Pro and I'm really excited to be using it for the first time. So I've never filmed from an overhead shot, so I'm really excited about doing this and seeing how it comes out. So I I am going to join the little choo-choo train of the marble style pour. I don't know if it's really a technique, but it really just creates really very fluid and organic movement in puddles. So the colors, I'm actually going to use a golf ball. I was talking to Mina earlier and she and I both have decided we were going to do one today, or at least put it up today together. And it's thank you, Mina, for the inspiration of the golf ball. I'm really interested in seeing how it turns out. I've got a slew of colors here. I really want a dark background, so what I'm using is Golden's Payne's Gray. And I mixed that about 9 parts Floetrol to about 2 parts of the paint, and I like my paint thick, so it is much thicker than most. So the golf ball is going to work really well because it's a heavier object. The green I'm using is Masse Art Studios iridescent green yellow, and it's a little bit darker. And what I did was add Arteza's Prussian green to it, just a tiny bit, and went from there. So this is about 5 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint and a dab of Arteza's Prussian green, which I love. So that is that. I'm also using Masse Art Studios iridescent violet blue for a little splash of color. 5-to-1 mixture as well. So it's fairly thick. I'm using Masse iridescent blue black, which I absolutely love. And I mixed up extra of this so that I could use it in another pour on another day. So that is a lot. So I don't know, this is like an 8-ounce cup. Probably about 7 ounces or 6 ounces of Floetrol to 1 or 1.5 parts of this. Then I'm also using the Rust-Oleum Metallics Metallic Champagne. And Kathleen Osmore also sent this bit to me, and I love this color. So I figured, why not mix some up and add it? It'll go really beautifully against the Payne's Gray by Golden's. I'm using Modern Masters Sachet Red. It also is a metallic. And I did a big jug of this as well. So this is about 12 ounces of paint and Floetrol. So there's about 2 ounces of paint to about 10 ounces of Floetrol in here. It's very pigmented and I love it. And then the other color is just regular white, Artist Loft Flow White Acrylic, no satin enamel, 2-to-1 ratio. So 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. And we're gonna start with our puddles, I think, or maybe I'll start them. I'm gonna actually coat the whole canvas first, and I'll fast forward this bit, and we will be back at normal speed in just a moment. See you in a few. Okay, now we're back, and what I'm going to do here is start with a little bit of white and make various puddles. I don't know if you guys have gotten a chance to go check out Masse Art Studios last couple of videos. They did the marble roll effect. Actually, I'm not even sure if that's what they're gonna call it. I'm not sure. I can't keep track of the names that everybody's calling it, but Fiona has been doing them, and Mina is going to do them tonight. I'll get a little bit of green in there. I'm gonna come in with this blue black. And maybe some white again. Some of the champagne. I'm gonna come in with pink. And we're gonna come in with sachet red next. All right, so those are, maybe a little white. Why not, right? Those are my colors, and I'm going to get the golf ball because this is gonna be fun. The tough part is keeping it on the canvas, but we shall. Oh man, it's like I don't want to touch it. I just want to stretch it out just the way it is because I love it. But here we go. And the key is not to let the golf ball it's going so fast. And I'm gonna let go right off. It's so pretty. Now we're going to, oh no. We're gonna stretch it. I definitely want to go this way because I don't like that last portion that rolled off. definitely different, and it has like endless possibilities, I suppose. It's just so cool. So when I stopped by to visit Karen Dershin, this was what she wanted to do. Sorry, you guys can't see this right now. I'm just moving this down. But she wanted to do this blindfolded, and unfortunately, nobody in the house had a marble. Little did we think that maybe a golf ball would work, and she lives right on a golf course in a sense. And boy, she could have had a golf ball laying around and we wouldn't have even thought of it. But it would have been a real huge challenge trying to guide her in not losing her golf ball off her canvas blindfolded. So, but all right. So we're going to bring you guys in. This was a lot of fun. I love the vibrancy of the colors. I am really looking forward to when this piece dries. We're not going to do the dry results in this video, but it will be in another video. What else? I don't know. So I'm going to clean up the edges, and I'll take you guys in for a close-up. Okay, here we are. I love how this came out. Very, very cool, very retro looking. I can't wait to see how the iridescent blue black dries. Pardon me. And the Payne's gray, I think, is the perfect background for this because it is going to dry super dark and it's going to almost look black. So I'm really, really excited about this piece. Be sure to check out Fiona Art, Masse Art Studios. They've been doing this marble rolling technique, I suppose. I know Wigglz Art has done it, and many others. But I get inspiration from all of you out there that use a rolling object to create beauty in paint. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me. Be sure to check out Mina Villegas' video. Hers is up and ready to go, and see what she did. Have a great day. Bye.